Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to use stickers in Facebook Messenger on Android. So if you also want to use stickers in Facebook Messenger on Android, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Messenger application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Initially, you'll be in the chats interface. Over here, you'll be able to see all of your chats. What you have to do is open the chat where you want to send a sticker. Simply tap on that chat. Now you can see over here that particular chat will be opened. So sending the sticker is actually very simple. At bottom you'll be able to find several icons over here. Right over here you'll be able to see the message box. At the right side of the message box, you'll be able to see the smiley face icon. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, from here you'll be able to send the stickers. Over here you'll be able to see several icons. You'll be able to send the emoticons. Also, you'll be able to send the avatar. You'll also be able to send the GIF over here. If you want to send the stickers, it is very simple. Simply tap on the sticker icon that you can see right over here. Now from here, you'll be able to send the sticker. You'll be able to see the trending stickers over here. If you want to send the sticker, simply tap on the sticker that you want to send. Now you can see over here that particular sticker will be sent. You can also search for the stickers if you want. Over here you'll be able to find several options like happy, in love, sad, eating, celebrating, etc. Simply tap on the option of your choice. Now from here you'll be able to see the AI stickers. Also you'll be able to see other stickers. Simply tap on the sticker that you want to send. Now you can see over here that particular sticker has been sent. Now at bottom you'll be able to find several icons over here. You'll be able to find the icon for recent stickers over here. If you tap on it, you'll be able to see your recent stickers. You'll also be able to see your favorite stickers over here. You'll also be able to see other stickers. You can also AI generate this sticker if you want. Simply tap on the search icon that you can see right over here. Now from here you'll be able to generate the sticker. Simply type in what you want to type. Now over here you'll be able to see the AI sticker. Also you'll be able to see other stickers. Simply tap on the sticker that you want to send. Like this, you'll be able to send the sticker. You can also go to the sticker store if you want. Simply tap on this icon, sticker store, that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, you'll be able to download the sticker of your choice. After that, you'll be able to use that sticker. So that is how you use stickers in Facebook Messenger on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.